Charlie. The sun, she is rising. It looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. We've already spotted some giraffes over there in the distance. We're excited for what's to come. So we've just packed up our tent and camp and everything, and last night was our last night here in Matamata, and now we're heading over to Nossob base camp, which I think should be about a 3-hour drive. But yeah, it's quite a hot day now. The wind has started to pick up. Our morning drive was a bit disappointing, so hopefully we'll see something. So we've just made it to the Nossob river bed. It's been, I think, 110 k's so far, so 50 k's on the over dune route, with some bad potholes on the blind risers, but it was fun. Really beautiful seeing all the dunes and stuff, but there's really nothing happening up there. But yeah, now we're at a picnic site in the Nossob River Valley, or whatever you want to call it, and we're just going to stop for lunch quickly and then head on to the camp. We've made it to Nossob rest camp, and after quite a long drive, but it was good. Didn't see too much. It was in the middle of the hot day, but yeah. And we checked into one of the chalets here. They're really lovely. Thought I'd give you a quick tour. Mind the mess. We did just have a nice afternoon nap. So as you walk into the door, there's a nice little dining area here with all of our mess on it. A little kitchenette with a beautiful girlfriend making gin and tonics for our game drive.
So as I said, all of our mess, our cooler box, camera stuff, food, has been, and here's the door to the bedroom, and the kitchen has plates, hot plates, and fridge, microwave, and cutlery and crockery, as you would expect. This is the bedroom. There's beds, which you can be asked to be pushed together. There's air conditioning, side tables, bags. Note, bags are not included in the fees. There's some art, some cupboards, a nice big shower, basin, me, hi, and the toilet. But yeah, that's about it. It's really nice. It's simple, but really nice. Especially since they have air conditioning. Helps a lot, especially if it's hot. So yeah, I don't think we'll ever camp in January again, but luckily this time we're prepared and it's all good. It's June. No, it's not.
It's September.
It's September now. I'm so lost. That was a good afternoon nap. But anyway, it looks like our gin and tonics are ready. Over there, in the best flasks you could possibly purchase, Stanley flasks. But now we're gonna go head out on our game drive for the afternoon. Let's hope we see some more on this side than on Matamata's side. We've had a bit of a disappointing game drive. Yeah, but it was okay. It was still fun. Still nice to see all the ordinary game and to drive around and whatnot. But yeah, no, it really is such a lovely place, this. Don't know if you guys can hear that in the background, those little chirping noises, but those are barking geckos. They're absolutely everywhere, and they're impossible to find if you look for them, but it's really awesome to hear them. With some jackals in the distant background. Good morning from another beautiful day in Africa. We are here at Nossob Base Camp and we are just heading out for our morning game drive. It is currently 6:46, we're a little bit late. It's a chilly 3 degrees Celsius and we are hoping our luck today is a bit better than previous days, except for that one morning where we saw lots of lions, but hopefully we see a lot more today. Hope you guys enjoy and hope you stick around. So we're back from our morning's drive. We were just driving to the north of Nossob. We didn't see that much, just the normal things like oryx, springbuck, jackal, some nice birds, but nothing too exciting, unfortunately. We only allowed to check into our next accommodation at 2 o'clock, and it is currently 11. But our accommodation for tonight is very exciting, so stay tuned.
Welcome to the Riverside Chalet. We have a lovely lounge and a kitchen. And a veranda with a beautiful view of the riverbed. And a nice braai area. And then you can go into the bedroom from there, or you can go back into the house here at the lounge area. And then our bathroom and cupboards. And our bedroom with the lovely view, and you can walk out onto the veranda.
Join us in the next episode as we travel to the Kgalagadi Tinted camp and finally find what we've been looking for.